So as part of the weekly clean, we'd encourage you to give it more of a thorough clean rather than just with the soft, dry cloth. We also provide some cleansing wipes. You'd open the packet of wipes, and it's very much like a wet wipe. You'd unfold the wipe, and then we encourage you to wipe over again the body of the hearing aid. This will degrease the hearing aid, so if you've got any stubborn dirt on there, and again wipe over the dome so it's nice and clean. The wipe is antibacterial, so it'll keep it looking nice and clean and also sterile. If you do have any stubborn dirt on the hearing aid, you've also got a cleaning brush, and you have some microphone ports on the back of the hearing aid and at the top here. We'd encourage that you hold the hearing aid upside down and brush into those ports gently. If you do have any stubborn dirt in those ports, that will fall away.